In this section, we will learn how to create a real mobile app that you can put on App Store or Google Play Store using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So there are a number of benefits for doing it using App.js framework. And first and foremost is you can develop your app once and then you can deploy your app to multiple different websites. The second one is you can create a mobile app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you don't need to learn any other mobile app language or any other platform that is used for creating mobile apps. Now there are certain disadvantages also for using this app.js framework, and the first one is we are not giving or we will not get the access of all the features. Plus, this app will face some performance issues, and that is because we are not creating it natively. We are running a website on the user's device. So, we are going to use this app.js framework for creating mobile web apps. So, this app.js framework has different types of CSS and JavaScript frameworks inside it. So, they make the process of making app very easy. So as you can see here, so this app.js was basically designed to create web apps on Android as well as iOS. And also you can see that they have provided us a demo app. So this is a demo app that is already been created on app.js, and it has all the features that can be implemented on a app. So you can see that we have some links over here. Then we have at the top we have a menu bar which has certain options. You can click on some buttons here. So you can see that how this app is actually working. It has all the features that are required to be present in a app. So in the next video, we are going to start with this app.js framework, and we will see how we can include this app.js into our web page and how we can create some web apps using app.js.